Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow Wise. If you've ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 15 passive income ideas for 2025, strategies you can start with minimal hands-on time, so you can spend more time doing what you love. Let's dive in. First up, dividend-paying stocks. This means buying shares of companies that distribute some of their profits as regular cash dividends. As companies mature, they tend to reward shareholders with dividends. To get started, open a brokerage account with a platform like Fidelity or Robinhood. Look for dividend aristocrats, companies that have raised their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years, and set up a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, so your payouts automatically buy more shares. Keep in mind, don't chase the highest yield without checking that the company's payout ratio and financial health are solid. Next, real estate investment trusts, or REITs. A REIT is a company that owns or finances income-producing real estate, everything from shopping centers to data centers. By law, they distribute at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends, which often leads to attractive yields. You can choose publicly traded REITs, which trade like stocks, or non-traded REITs, which may have higher minimum investments and less liquidity. If you'd rather diversify, consider a REIT ETF like VNQ. Idea number 3 is peer-to-peer lending. Through platforms such as Lending Club or Prosper, you lend small amounts, think $25 or $50, to dozens of borrowers and earn interest as they repay. The platforms handle credit checks and collections, but returns can beat traditional savings accounts. To manage risk, spread your money across many loans and set up automated reinvestment of repayments, so your funds compound. Fourth, create a niche blog or website. Choose a topic you're passionate about: tiny house living, urban gardening for beginners, anything, and build a site with WordPress or Wix. Focus on SEO by researching keywords with tools like Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner. Monetize through Google AdSense, affiliate links such as Amazon Associates, or by selling your own digital products. Once your content is live, it can generate traffic and revenue for years with only occasional updates. As it grows, you can outsource content creation to freelance writers to maintain a steady posting schedule. Fifth, launch a YouTube channel with evergreen content. Pick a niche: tech tutorials, language lessons, personal finance tips, and invest in basic equipment, decent lighting, a clear microphone, and simple editing software. Optimize your titles and video descriptions for search, for example, how to bake sourdough bread at home. Once you reach YouTube's partner program thresholds, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with ads. Tutorials and how-tos can keep earning ad revenue long after you upload them. The sixth idea is writing an ebook or digital guide. Package your expertise into a focused ebook, such as 30-Day Budget Bootcamp or Secrets to Urban Beekeeping, and publish via Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad. After the upfront effort of writing and getting a professional cover designed, each sale, after platform fees, is nearly pure profit. To boost value, bundle your ebook with a companion video course or printable checklist. Seventh, affiliate marketing through an email newsletter. Build an email list around a theme, say weekly fitness hacks, by offering a free lead magnet, like a mini guide or checklist. Use a service like MailChimp or ConvertKit to send 1 or 2 newsletters per week that deliver helpful content along with carefully chosen affiliate links. Since subscribers have already opted in, they're more likely to click and buy, but remember to only promote products you genuinely trust to keep your credibility high. Eighth on the list is licensing your photography or art. If you're a photographer, illustrator, or graphic designer, you can upload your work to stock platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every time someone licenses your image, you earn royalties. Focus on high-demand niches, business settings, lifestyle scenes, seasonal images, and submit regularly to build a portfolio. To streamline the process, try auto tag tools and then refine keywords manually. 9th, sell print-on-demand merchandise. Create designs or slogans in Canva or Illustrator and sync them to platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. When someone orders a t-shirt, mug, or phone case, the platform prints and ships it on your behalf. You never touch the inventory. To get traction, research trending niches on Etsy or Instagram and consider small social media ad tests to gauge demand before expanding. 10th, build a mobile app or simple SaaS tool. Think of a lightweight app, perhaps a habit tracker or a basic budget planner, that users pay a small monthly fee for. Validate your idea by setting up a landing page to collect email signups, then build a minimum viable product with no-code platforms like Bubble or Glide. Offer free trials to onboard users and follow up with helpful email sequences to maximize retention. Even at $5 to $10 per user per month, you only need a few hundred subscribers for a solid income stream. Number 11 is high-yield savings or money market accounts. Right now you can find FDIC-insured online banks offering 4 to 5% APY, far above typical checking accounts. Simply park your cash in one of these accounts and watch interest accrue. This strategy works best for emergency funds or cash you won't need immediately. 12th, create an online course or workshop. If you have a teachable skill, photography, coding basics, public speaking, film short, digestible modules and host them on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Validate demand by asking potential students on Reddit or Facebook groups. Include quizzes or assignments to improve completion rates, and partner with influencers in your niche to promote exclusive discount codes. 13th, earn royalties from creative works, music, books, or even patents. Musicians can distribute songs via DistroKid or CD Baby, authors can self-publish with Amazon KDP, inventors can license patents to companies. The key is protecting your rights. Register with ASCAP or BMI for music royalties, and get ISBNs for books. Once set up, each play or sale generates ongoing income. 14th, rent out assets you already own. List a spare room on Airbnb, your car on Turo, or tools on Fat Llama. Great listings feature clear photos, honest descriptions, and automated booking tools like smart locks. Always confirm that your chosen platform's insurance covers you, or purchase supplemental coverage to stay protected. Last but not least, automated dropshipping. With Shopify or WooCommerce plus a plugin like Obolo or Spocket, you can market products without handling inventory. Suppliers ship directly to customers. Focus on niche items with healthy markups and test with small ad budgets on Facebook or TikTok. Customer service and marketing are your main responsibilities, while suppliers handle fulfillment. Alright, that was a whirlwind tour of 15 passive income ideas for 2025. You don't have to tackle all of them at once. Pick one or two that resonate with your skills and interests, invest the initial time or capital, and then let compounding work its magic. Even opening a high-yield savings account or buying a few shares of dividend stocks can be an excellent place to start. So what are your top 2 ideas? Take action this week. Set aside an afternoon to open accounts, draft outlines, or record your first lesson. And don't forget to join the Grow Wise community. Leave a comment on our channel telling us which strategy you're trying and how it's going. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to your passive income journey in 2025. See you next time.